We'll guide you through how to add texture to 3D models in After Effects. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your 3D model or rendered file into the project panel and add it to the timeline so it becomes your main layer. Then import a texture image that will be used to enhance the surface detail of your model. Place the texture layer above the model layer in the timeline so it can interact visually with the object. Use blending modes such as multiply, overlay, or soft light to blend the texture naturally with the model surface. If needed, apply displacement map to create more realistic surface distortion and depth. Adjust the texture opacity until the effect looks balanced and not too strong. Enable the 3D layer switch if your project requires proper spatial positioning and depth control. Add lights such as point light or spotlight to create realistic shading and enhance the 3D appearance. You can also animate either the model or the texture to create subtle motion and make the scene more dynamic. If desired, apply camera lens blur to improve depth of field and cinematic focus. You can also adjust shadow softness and light intensity to make the render look more professional. Continue refining the lighting, texture strength, and blending until the result looks realistic and visually appealing. Once everything is complete, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the texture integrates smoothly with the model. Make any final adjustments if needed to improve realism or composition balance. Finally, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.